So you might be in a situation where your Instagram music is not showing all the songs that are available. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. Now, if I were to go ahead and make a quick story or whatever, right? And if I were to go ahead and bring in my music toggle, you should be able to see that I can bring in a majority of songs that are available. But the big thing to keep in mind is that not every single song will be available forever, basically. So, what I mean by this is basically if you're searching for a particular song, it really depends on whether that song is available inside of Instagram Music. So, you can see that if I type in Drake, for example, right, there are lots of Drake songs available, but that doesn't mean that every single Drake song is available within here, right? A majority of the songs probably will be, but if there's like a new Drake song, or if there's a song that just came out, or if there's a song that's like a remix or something like that, that doesn't necessarily mean that every single song is going to be available. Now, if there was a song that was available, but now it's gone, that could also be due to some of these music providers, so like the labels. They could have gone through and actually removed some of those songs from the specific thing as well. So that is another problem. That is another thing that can happen. Now, if you find a specific song that's available, you can always try going through and saving that audio. So sometimes there can be a song that is available that you can see like on Instagram Reels or something. You can try saving that audio and bring it in later. That's another thing that can probably happen as well. That may end up fixing the problem too. Now, on top of that, if that's still not working, you can try going through and actually updating your Instagram application. So try going into your app store just like this. Go ahead and find the Instagram app. So just type in Instagram just like so. And all you're going to want to do is go ahead and just basically download and update your Instagram application. So click right here, update your Instagram app. And this could also end up fixing the problem too for some people as well. And that's another thing you can do too. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.